Hello everyone, welcome back to Shane's Shed. I have just been doing a service on my Disco, and if you recall on some of my previous videos, I've had some low boost issues with this car, and I suspect I may have found the reason why. So let's go under and have a look, and I'll show you what I'm saying. So I've just poked my head under, and look at the colour of that transfer case. That's pretty black, and there's a lot of blackness all through here. Apologies for light, I'm moving things around. Oh, there's even some blackness on that, well, it's not really a cross member, but I've just given it a wipe with my finger there. And it looks like diesel exhaust soot. And you can sort of see further up along the transmission, looks like there's plenty of soot there. So with what looks like exhaust soot pretty much all under the front of the car there, I'm suspecting that I've cracked the crossover pipe from the right bank over to the left, over the turbo on the left hand side, which is probably explaining a lot of the lack of boost, because the turbo is not getting its exhaust flow to spool up properly. So I'm going to dive in and have a look. I'm pretty sure that's what I'm going to find. Okay, so I've just finished doing a service on this. So engine oil change, engine oil filter, just checking the diff levels, front and rear, checking the transfer case levels, and I just done a partial change on the auto as well, just using Penrite BMV for that. So let's get this up on the ramps, and I'm going to have a decent look inside that for that crossover pipe and see if I can see what's going on. Because also worth mentioning, the car hasn't been sounding right lately, which if there's a crack there, that's probably going to explain it. But anyway, let's have a look. Alright, so we can see where this heat shielding has blown out a bit, so I can feel some exhaust flow. I just got to be careful here because this is probably pretty hot, but I'm sure there'll be a crack somewhere in there. I don't know, I can't really see it. Did you spot the little hole in the convoluted expansion joint? I didn't actually see it at the time because I was looking through my phone camera, and it's a little bit far away, just so you guys can get a better vision of it. So I went and looked back at that footage, and I seen that hole. So did you spot it? I'll point it out now. So yeah, you can just see that little hole there. So that's probably going to be a relatively straightforward fix in itself once it's out of the car. Getting it out is going to be a bastard, I think. So we'll see how we go. I may have access to a hoist to remove the body, which would make it a lot easier. I'll do a bit of research and see which method is probably going to be the least painful. And hey, if you've got any ideas as well, which way to go, put it down in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. Keep an eye out for the next video. I'll throw end screen here, so for the change out, if you're looking at this in a year's time, it'll be here. If not, it'll be some other video until that video is ready to go. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll see you next time.